Welcome to LG's Quick Start Guide for front-load washing machines. Before washing clothes for the first time, you should rinse out the inside of the drum. Use a small amount of detergent and run a complete wash cycle with the drum empty. You may need assistance adding detergents and running a wash cycle. If this is the case, skip to the part of this video about starting a wash cycle. After the cycle finishes, you can start your first load of laundry. You should always sort your clothes before a cycle. First, sort clothes by fabric types. Wash heavier items, like towels, separately from lighter weight clothes. This is to prevent abrasion and damage to finer fabrics. Also, check the care label of clothes you are not sure on how to wash. Make sure the clothing is machine washable. You should also check the recommended washing temperature and for specific instructions. Next, separate your laundry by color. Wash dark or dyed clothes separately from white or light colors. Before you load your clothes into the drum, make sure the pockets are empty. Close zippers, hooks, and strings to make sure these items do not snag other clothes. Open the washing machine door and load your clothes into the washing machine. Do not overload your drum. This can cause an unbalanced load in the drum. Make sure there is sufficient space for clothes to tumble freely. Also, make sure there is no foreign substance on or inside rubber gasket. Then close the door, making sure nothing gets stuck in between. Now press the power button. LG washing machines have a wide variety of wash cycles. You can choose specialized wash cycles. For example, turn the cycle selector knob to the delicate cycle for delicate fabrics that need hand washing. But for everyday loads such as socks, t-shirts, and towels, choose the normal cycle. Next, pull out the dispenser drawer and fill up the dispenser compartments. Pour detergent and additives into their respective compartment. Use the left side for powdered or liquid detergent. Make sure you don't fill over the maximum line. And use the right side for liquid fabric softener. Also, do not use single-use detergent pods in the dispenser. Place single-use detergent pods directly in the drum with the load. If you need to adjust the default setting spin or temperature, go ahead. But for most use cases, all you need to do is press the start or stop button. And the wash cycle will start. It is best to remove your laundry from the drum as soon as the cycle is complete. Then use a soft cloth and wipe the door seal and door to remove any moisture. Leave the door slightly open to let the drum dry and you are all done. It is also a good idea to regularly run the tub clean function. Make sure the drum is empty. Add anti-lime scale to the dispenser wash compartment. For other drum cleaning products, follow the cleaner manufacturer's instructions and recommendations. If you are using a tablet, place it directly into the drum. Turn the knob to the tub clean function and press the start pause button. If you have an all-in-one washer or dryer combo, you will have a dry feature. You can run the dry feature automatically after the wash cycle ends. Prepare the clothes and load the drum. First, turn the power on. Select a wash cycle and add detergent. Then toggle through the dry button to pick a dry cycle. You can also set the time in the normal wash cycle. After you've selected your desired dry cycle, press the start pause button. If you want to run just the dry function separately without a wash cycle, turn the power on. Do not turn the knob. Simply press the dry button and toggle through the setting you want. Then press the start pause button. After the cycle has ended, remove your clothes from the drum. And that is the end of our quick start guide. For more in-depth guide or more information, check out our other how to guide videos.